Hi there. Today, our topic is about delegation of authority. We have a dialogue between Jessica, Senior Manager, and Eric, COO, and another dialogue between Eric, COO, and Chris, CEO. After this conversation, we shall analyze the fact, discuss for any control deficiencies, and how to tackle these. Here is the conversation. New COO just joined the company.
Hey, Jessica. I have been worked here for 1 week. Seems there are no purchase requisitions nor T&E expenses. Claim form for me to approve.
Eric, yes. All purchase requisitions and T&E expenses claim forms need to go through CEO. Since I joined the company, everything must go through him. And accounts department only recognizes his signature on paper.
I see. Is there any approval matrix or any documents related to this?
So far as I know, there aren't any. I have been working here for 10 years. We don't have these kind of things.
Okay. Let me talk to CEO.
Eric is messaging Chris for his availability.
Hi, Chris. Do you have 10 minutes? I have something to talk to you.
Eric, sure.
Eric is going into CEO room.
Eric, what is it about?
I wish to talk about the delegation of authority.
Delegation of authority? What is it? Never heard of.
Well, it is the delegation for approval on a certain things granted from the board to senior management down to manager depend on either the importance of items or value of the transactions. It is in form of the policy named as delegation of authority together with a matrix showing the authority granted to different level in each department and across departments.
What you said are very difficult for me to understand. I have been working here for 30 years and never heard of that. So far, everything is going well. I am the approver of all documents, so that I am in control of all things. It works so far. Hey, Eric, just focus on operation. I will do the rests.
Eric is very surprised.
Oh, well.
Thanks for watching. Are you surprised in this scenario? This situation was normal at the start off of business, especially it is a family business. CEO has the ultimate power and wants to be in control of all matters. However, as the business grew, there are more people being hired, more departments being established. It is quite hard for CEO to continue such mode of operation. Firstly, it is not cost-effective for a CEO to handle all nitty-gritty transactional matters. Secondly, with all department heads in place, it is their responsibilities to review and approve matters related to their own department. Thus, it is more effective to delegate authority to different levels of employees on specific matters. In normal circumstances, CEO is working with CFO on this. They should prepare a policy related to delegation of authority that defines some high-level rules for this delegation. As an appendix, an approval matrix should be attached. To prepare an approval matrix, CEO and CFO will need to identify what kind of transactions or situations require an approval. For example, disposal of fixed assets, write-off of inventories, setup of new customer, issue credit notes to customer, application of overseas traveling, T&E expenses, etc. And for each items identified, what level of approval is required and what is the limit in value. If one approval is not enough, after the approval of the first approver, who is the next? All these are set up in the approval matrix for the whole organization to execute. Accounts department is the party to ensure compliance with the approval matrix. Any missing approval, accounts department will notify the respective department person for follow-up. To recap, here are the key points. Firstly, single point of control in any organization may not be a cost-effective approach. Secondly, for a healthy organization, there should be a policy for delegation of authority set up with approval matrix attached. An approval matrix is a table listing all the transactions or situations that require approval. Side by side are all levels of approvers and their limits being listed in order to complete the full approval process. Thanks for your time in watching this episode. If you like this channel, please give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends and colleagues who may find this useful to them. Here are the topics that we would like to cover in the coming episodes. Sequence may be changed. Outsourcing services, Part 1, Policies and Procedures, Part 1, HR system, accounting systems, key controls on payroll, key controls on procurement. Part 1, please turn on the notification bell for update of new episode. Stay tuned.